Hi Google. Here I'll be demonstrating an off consent screen and what our tool intend to deliver it. So I will start initiating our project lead tracker. Here we have our scopes that will be necessary to run our tool. Sorry about this icon here. Now that I'm allowing it, I will initiate our tool. So basically, our clients intend to import their data from our platform Lead Tracker to their sheets. In reason to provide better reports for them, we are allowing them to import their data that have been collected through Lead Tracker and using it inside their Google Sheets. So they will have to log in our system and get their token. Here they will have this sidebar they can select which account they want to get their data from. And here we have parameters for the report, for the data report that they want to get here. And then they will select the column filter, which will be used as the parameters for the dates that they want to get. And here will be the column that they want to insert it. And then here we can generate the report. So this is basically what our tool we intend to deliver once that the user has installed in their sheet. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to get this Oauth screen approved. Thank you.